Meet the StepTwin Bike. You sit, you walk, you ride. The StepTwin Bike is a revolutionary crossover between a bike and a stepper machine. It is a new urban style of cycling and creates multiple opportunities on rough terrain. No other bike in the world offers this much variety. The innovative bicycle drive has a separate chain drive for each of your legs. You can press the pedals with your feet as you like, in sequence, together, asynchronously, only one leg. Due to the innovative stepping drive, almost all of the forward energy of your legs turns into kinetic energy of the bike. Movements on the StepTwin Bike relieve the joints. Unlike normal jogging, the foot does not strike against the surface. You can use the StepTwin Bike for casual riding, cross-training, cardio interval training, leg and joint rehab. There are 5 independent speeds for each leg, and you can reach speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour or 18 miles per hour. There is a smooth and automatic load transfer to the driving wheel. The StepTwin Bike is made out of high-quality materials. This bike is extremely durable and lightweight at the same time. You can quickly adjust the handlebar according to your preference. Remove the bicycle seat and take advantage of increased freedom. Without any tools, it can be folded in 20 seconds. Storage is no issue at all. The StepTwin Bike is the ultimate bike for all your needs. Contribute today and join the ride. www.steptwin.bike